any journey in life, you must plan for that too. So also in your financial freedom journey. Welcome and welcome to my Life Plan Tips channel, where we talk about creating wealth online on your way to your financial freedom. In our video for today, we're going to be looking at some things that can unsettle you as you journey towards your financial freedom. Right, let's go in right now. The number one thing that can unsettle you as you journey towards your freedom is a job loss. Yes, I mean, if you are being retrenched from your employment, where will the source of income come from for you to continue with your journey? So you see, if there's a job loss, definitely the income will be reduced, and that will reduce the time that you need to get to your financial freedom. Yes, and then number two is a death in the family. Death of a spouse can become a drawback for your financial freedom journey. Yes, if you had planned with your spouse to get your financial freedom, let's say in the next 10-15 years, now that he or she is no longer alive, it might take you 15 years, 20 years, or even 25 years. Yes, so you see, a death of either of you will cause a setback for your journey towards your financial freedom. Yes. The third thing that can unsettle you as you journey also is children. Yes, some people will ask, why children? Well, if you had a plan of having 2 children and then a third one just showed up, you see, definitely that will become a setback for you. Yes, because you're going to spend for that third child. You will not prepare for that third child. So you see, instead of getting to your financial freedom on time, now additional years will be added to that time. So you see, additional children can be an unsettling thing as you journey on your way to your financial freedom. The third thing that can unsettle you as you journey towards your financial freedom is the birth of a child or children. Yes, children can become an unsettling thing as you journey. Why? Because if you had planned on having 2 children and then a third one just showed up, definitely it will unsettle you, because there will be additional mouths to feed. Yes, additional clothes. Yes, there will be additional responsibilities and which you were not prepared for. So you see, children can become an unsettling thing as you journey towards your financial freedom. Yes, and the fourth thing that can unsettle you as you journey towards your financial freedom is disasters. Yes, disasters are something that can really cause a setback for you. A fire incident for an instant. Yes, I mean, nobody's praying or hoping for a fire incident, but we know that incidences do occur, and fire disaster is one of them. Imagine having a fire incident. I mean, that would imply that your things in your house will get burned, your properties will get burned. Now, imagine having that kind of situation. That means that you have to start all over again. So you see, fire incident is not a good thing that can occur to anybody on his or her way to financial freedom. Even flood, for instance, is the same problem, because properties will be destroyed and you need to start all over. So you see, disasters can delay your financial freedom journey. Yes, the fifth thing that can unsettle you as you journey towards your financial freedom is getting employed in an organization that has no pension plan. Yes, I mean, if there's no provision for pension for you in that organization, that means that you have to save by yourself. I mean, you have to invest by yourself. You see, it will be difficult for you to achieve that goal of your financial freedom. So you see, one has to be careful in where he or she gets a job, because if you have a job that has no pension plan, you have to work extra hard, or you have to increase your investment in order to hasten your financial freedom journey. Now, the sixth thing that can unsettle you as you journey towards your financial freedom is sickness. Yes, I mean, diseases can delay your financial freedom journey. If someone is hooked down with an illness, I mean, that means that you cannot function the way that you're supposed to function. You cannot work. Yes. You cannot monitor your investment. You cannot do anything that you're supposed to do. So you see, if someone happens to be sick, that means that your financial freedom journey will be delayed. It's not that we're praying or we're hoping for anyone to get sick, but well, life does happen. Now, the seventh thing that can unsettle you as you journey towards your financial freedom is not having a plan. Yes, I mean, what is a life without a plan? If you don't have a plan, that means you don't know what you will do. You just be walking as if you are just swimming in a flood. So you see, you must have a plan for your financial freedom. Plan for what? Plan for when you're going to retire. Yes. Plan for how much you're going to retire with. Plan for where you're going to retire to. Yes, by the time you get to your financial freedom journey. So you see, a plan is very important as you journey towards your financial freedom. Please like and subscribe to our Life Plan Tips channel, where we talk about creating wealth online on your way to your financial freedom. Until we come away again, bye for now.